Big news today in Europe's finance world, ING and UniCredit plan a Euro stablecoin launch set for 2026 under MiCA regulation. This isn't a crypto startup project, these are major household banking names. Banks, stepping into blockchain officially, that's a complete shift in strategy. Stablecoins so far were dollar-based. USDC and Tether dominate the market. But Europe wants a share too. MiCA brings strict stablecoin rules. Banks see it as an opportunity backed by real reserves and oversight. Trust is the key to adoption. Consumers trust banks more than crypto firms. Payments will settle faster with blockchain. Cross-border transfers will be cheaper. Swift delays may soon disappear. Merchants could get instant settlement. This improves cash flow massively. Businesses save billions annually. That's why this matters globally. The Euro stablecoin strengthens Europe's role, challenges US dollar's global dominance, but the US is not idle. They're working on digital dollar ideas. Circle's USDC is already huge. Regulation may give it more clarity. Europe and US are competing, but also working together closely. UK and US formed a task force. That's transatlantic cooperation on crypto. Rules may harmonize over time that helps global institutions adopt finance, becomes more integrated worldwide. Euro stablecoin can push this faster. Europe needs financial sovereignty. Relying on US stablecoins is risky. This project reduces that dependence. MiCA law enforces strong protections. Banks can use this safely. It will likely attract institutions. Retail adoption is next stage by 2026. It may be common, used in shopping, payments, remittances. Governments may even pay salaries. The transition could be smooth. Banks like ING and UniCredit are respected. Their entry means blockchain isn't niche anymore. This is mainstream finance integrating blockchain tech. Imagine paying in euros instantly worldwide. No SWIFT, no high fees. Instant results. Merchants won't wait days for settlements anymore. Payrolls could process in real time efficiently. Cross-border remittances would transform global finance. Families abroad send money instantly and cheaper. That's financial inclusion on a large scale. But privacy concerns may arise quickly. Will banks control too much customer data? How will governments oversee these transactions? Central bank involvement is a certainty. Ahead, ECB may supervise the reserves closely. Stable coins blur the line with CBDCs. Europe pushes digital euro alongside this. Both projects may converge over time. This raises strategic questions for policy. How will the US respond strategically? Will they speed up digital dollar plans or enforce stricter rules on stablecoins? Circle may need to adapt quickly. Stablecoin wars could shape global finance. Institutions will pick winners based on trust, and compliance will be the main factor. Investors need to monitor this closely. The shift impacts markets deeply in 2026. This Euro stablecoin isn't just technical, it's geopolitical too. Europe wants financial independence, not relying only on US systems. If successful, it challenges US dollar hegemony in global trade. But adoption depends on merchants, consumers, and regulators working together. If banks integrate this into accounts, usage will spread very fast. Retail customers may not even realize they're using blockchain underneath. Payments apps could offer instant euro transfers as default daily services. That's massive for everyday life in Europe and beyond. International markets. Institutions like asset managers may tokenize bonds in stablecoin euro units. That boosts liquidity and reduces settlement times across major markets. Tokenization plus stablecoin settlement could create trillion-dollar efficiencies worldwide. Meanwhile, the US and UK task force adds another layer of coordination. If both regions align on rules, stablecoins achieve legitimacy globally. But if rules diverge, companies may struggle with compliance and costs. China, meanwhile, is experimenting but slowing tokenization in Hong Kong. That leaves Europe and US to dominate the finance blockchain integration race. By 2026, we may see euro and dollar stablecoins competing for dominance. This is the next chapter in money, finance, and blockchain history unfolding.